Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Height. Wide. Thickness. Weight. Border. Max thickness. Tuner. Wall mount. Part 2. Display. Display type. Display size. Display resolution. Pixel density. Display color. Bit depth. Brightness. Contrast ratio. Refresh rate. HDR format. Video format. Response time. View angle. Part 3. Features. System chip. TV platform. Voice assistant. Support a remote smartphone. Search browser. Sleep timer. Child lock. Voice command. Part 4. Connectivity. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. HDMI port. HFR. USB port. .5mm audio jack. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.